Claude just got something that it has been missing, and it's access to every meeting that you've ever had. Every chat with Claude has kind of started the same way from scratch. So you feed it context, you paste transcripts of who said what in the meeting, then you start asking the questions after you fill it all with the context. But that copy and paste part of the workflow is officially over. Claude can now pull straight from your meeting notes, so live, mid-conversation, and 3 things this has changed for me. One of them is bigger than the others. But first, the workflow that I've been running for the last year, ever since I started using Claude Code basically, is I record a meeting and the notes land in some app somewhere. And if I want Claude to actually help me think about it or to talk through it with Claude, I have to grab the transcript, copy, find where the relevant conversation is, copy and paste those chunks in to Claude, kind of explain the context around the meeting, what we decided, what didn't get said, why it mattered. And it's not really painful enough for me to complain much about it. I mean, AI is amazing the way that it is, but it is painful enough to add up over time. So across a week, I have a lot of meetings. I'm probably doing 10 to 12 meetings, and I'm doing this almost every single time. And sometimes I have to go back and reference a meeting from before, and I have to remember, okay, what day was that, and go find it. And it ends up just being a lot of extra overhead work. And what I found is I'm rebuilding context that Claude could already have if it had access to the source. So that flipped this last week. And the thing that flipped it was Fellow's Claude Connector. Fellow is the AI meeting assistant that I use. So it sits in every call or sits in the background and records the audio, transcribes the conversation, and writes a summary with action items and decisions afterwards. So it's been super helpful in just keeping track of it, kind of like an assistant sitting in your meetings, leaving, taking notes for you to look back at later. But all that meeting context was already in Fellow, and the Claude connector just lets Claude reach in and read all of it. So the takeaway is pretty simple. Fellow stores the meeting data, Claude reads it, and you just ask Claude once, and it can go do all the things you need. And the setup is genuinely just 2 clicks. So you open Claude, you go to the connectors section, it's in Customize. You enable Fellow, you click Authorize, and that's it. You're done. You're hooked in. And with the connector on, you can just talk with Claude like you normally would. So summarize my last 3 meetings. And you see, because of the connector, it knows to go look in Fellow.ai, and then it just goes. So there's 3 full recaps here in one shot. A pricing model overhaul that I sat on with the team, growth strategy. But this is the kind of summary that I would have spent 20 minutes, looking for. Might not even be able to find the meetings, might not be able to find the transcripts. And now I can just ask Claude about it. And here's a use case that really surprised me. I didn't even think to try this at first, but now I run it after pretty much every call. But coach me on the pricing model from the meeting earlier today. What should have I pushed back on? It can listen to you in your meetings and tell you, you should have said this at this time. So I didn't ask Claude to just summarize my meetings. That's helpful enough. I didn't ask it to recap what got said, but I actually asked it to coach me, and it knows my decisions and the decisions that were made in the meeting. So when Claude can read through an hour of conversation and pull out specifics, I can ask questions to it. It works great into my existing Claude workflow. So it's pretty amazing. And you can ask specific questions. What did we decide about pricing? And I have a lot of pricing discussions. I have a lot of businesses, but the YouTube sponsor rates. And then it pulled up the meeting that I had and answered the question for me. You can do this with any meeting that you have in Fellow. And it can even read from multiple meetings. You can ask, across recent meetings, what have we decided about this? And it will give you that info. So step back for a second. First off, you might not even be taking meeting notes. You might be doing it on a piece of paper. So step 1 is maybe get Fellow.ai to just record your meetings, get the transcripts. That alone, you'll get a recording, you can get a full transcript, you can get AI notes. So that alone, that would be a step up for you. But then even if you've been using a tool like this, the notes have always been an archive. You record them and they sit there. Maybe you reread them once. I found I hardly ever would go back to meeting notes, or I wouldn't even be able to find them. But now they're no longer an archive. There's something that Claude can reason over, Claude can search through, coach, recall, connect across meetings. So I've been pasting transcripts into Claude, and I'm never doing that again. So link in the description for Fellow and the connector setup. It walks you through enabling it, authorizing it, the whole thing. It's very easy. And if you record meetings, any meetings, and you use Claude, this is one of those upgrades that you'll turn on and then you'll never turn it off again. So if you like these AI productivity videos, please like and subscribe. Appreciate you guys very much. God bless and have a great rest of your day.